Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. And this is going to be a very quick video. This is my replacement earrings from EarFleek from last month that were damaged in the mail. Now before I open this, I did email them and they did respond very quickly that they would replace the earrings. You know, it's out of their hands, it's out of my hands when something is damaged in the mail. So I had sent them a second email just to confirm that I would get the same earrings that were damaged that I received in my prior little envelope. And their response basically was, no, you're not going to get the same earrings that you had prior. And I was very confused by that because I've seen several YouTubers that get EarFleek each month that had issues with a set of earrings, notify them, and they had the exact same pair sent to them. And once again, they responded with a little bit of we don't care attitude in their response that basically because of their algorithm, they can't guarantee me the same exact earrings. And I was very confused by that. I don't necessarily think EarFleek is that large of a company. I mean, I might be wrong, but I don't think so. And I understand having an algorithm because you can swipe left and right on their page to let them know what you like and so forth. But when you have a customer contact you with a complaint, damaged product, you don't have to use the algorithm to choose another pair of earrings. Go pull the same exact earrings that you sent me and resend them. Or at best, send me something very similar. Now, I've already opened this because I was curious as to what they sent me. So I'm going to open it for all of you. Oops. And of course, in true Maureen fashion, I'm dropping everything because that's what I do. So, you know, same package, same cards, you know, the gift cards. If anybody wants to get a free pair of earrings, contact me. These expire August of 2020, and there's a code I can give you off the back. Just you can contact me through Instagram, send me a DM, and I'll be more than glad to take care of it. You know, typical card. And I did not get the same pair of earrings. Still came in a nice little bag like they always do. If I can figure out, I can never get these open. As you get older, and I've had carpal tunnel surgery, so my hands are weaker. You get older, it's hard to open up them sealed packages. These are the earrings that I received. The little studs. Now, I might have liked these on their little swipe, their little app game, you know, where you swipe right if you like, swipe left if you don't. But these are nothing like the earrings that I got prior. And I should have pulled them out, and I did not. And I'm going to pause the video right here, and I'm going to go get the earrings that I got the previous month. I'll be right back. Okay. So these were the earrings that I got sent the month prior. Do I have them the right way? Yes. Right here. I'm just trying to get them so that I can show them to you properly. It's really cute. And they're still like, you know, a little stud in your ear with a little glittery dangle. Very, very cute. These are nothing like what I was sent whatsoever. Now, I don't know, and there doesn't appear that this could come off and like dangle on that. I don't know if it would look right. It would not. I didn't even attempt to try to straighten these out just for the sheer fact that I think the post would break. You know, these are not, you know, the best quality of earrings, but, you know, they are bent. I don't think I can wear them, you know, because of the bend. But I'm a little disappointed in the replacement earrings. Now, I have real diamonds. 2 different sizes. I have 4 holes in one ear, 3 in the other. So I have 2 different sizes, a larger pair, and then a smaller set that I could wear in any of the upper holes. I don't wear them. So if I'm not going to wear real diamond earrings, am I going to wear these? No, not going to happen. I'm not a stud person unless it's in an upper ear, and these are too big for those. I think I don't like them for an up, like this would be fine for my lower hole. I doubt that I will wear these. I prefer like a little bit of a dangle, a longer dangle. Like this kind of a drop would be fine for me. It's just enough to add that little extra pizzazz, but So this is what they decided they were going to send me in replacement. And I had to email them because I was like, am I getting my replacement earrings? Because my normal bag is going to be coming soon with my normal earrings in it. And they said that they had shipped, and then these came the same day that I contacted them. So needless to say, I'm very unhappy with EarFleek that some YouTubers can get their earrings replaced and get the same exact earrings, and others cannot, obviously. So maybe I just got a person that didn't care about their job or about their customer service. And if I owned this company and I had a customer complain because an earring was damaged, I would get off my butt and I would go find the pair of earrings in their stock that I was shipped initially or something very similar, and I would handpick them and ship them out. I wouldn't wait for an algorithm to pick another pair of earrings and send them where they're totally different. So am I happy with EarFleek? No. It's only $3.50 a month. Am I just happy enough to cancel them? No, because for $3.50, you know, I guess you get what you pay for. Now, while the earrings are always nice, their customer service is lacking big time, and might not be so prone to stay with them for long term. I did look at other companies that are a little bit more expensive, but only by a few dollars, and I might switch to those and be done with EarFleek. Sometimes it only takes one time for somebody to send me some attitude in an email in a response when I am a paying customer. That is enough for me. In my younger days, you might have got more than one shot. In my older ages, no, not customer service. Not these days where I can take my business anywhere. You know, back in the day, you didn't have all these companies like that are around today. So if you wanted a pair of earrings, you went to, let's say Claire's, as an example. And if you didn't like them or if something happened, you returned them. And 9 times out of 10, they returned them with no problem, no questions asked, blah, blah, blah. Now, they basically, you know, like, well, no, we can't send you the same pair. Don't even send you anything similar. So, that's my rant about EarFleek. I'm not happy with them. I'm going to continue with them. I'm going to see what this month brings for November and December, but they might be gone in 2020 on this channel, and I will replace them. There are a couple others that I did look into that may be about, instead of $3, they're $5 or $6 a month, and I might switch to them and give them my money. I don't care if it's $3.50 a month or if it's $6 a month. Customer service is a front runner in any business. Without good customer service, your business is never going to succeed. So that is my replacement earring video for EarFleek. I appreciate all of you watching, and as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.